Hello there, it's Christian from your favorite web hosting provider, RackNerd.com, and I'm here to tell you that in a couple of days, we're revamping our RackNerdTV YouTube channel and getting ready to dish out some new, awesome, hands-on tutorials that'll have you feeling like a hosting pro in no time. So if you haven't already, make sure you smash that subscribe button and be part of the thousands of viewers that will benefit from our future content, which I guarantee will be extremely helpful for webmasters like you, and trust me, you don't want to miss what we have in store. We'll be focusing on how you can manage our products and services properly. This is useful, especially if you're a reseller and want to have the right knowledge to serve your own clients and grow with us here at RackNerd. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, and even if you're not a RackNerd customer, you're welcome to tune in. We're serving up something for everyone. As one of the leading web hosting providers in the industry, we're excited to share our knowledge and expertise with you through our RackNerdTV YouTube channel. And let's be real, who doesn't want to learn from the best? So buckle up and get ready to take your web hosting skills to the next level with our upcoming series of awesome content and tutorials. And if you have any questions or requests for topics that you would like to see us cover, drop a comment down below and let us know. We're all ears.